project is location indicator for the blind using NILabVIEW. Our college is Padma Shri Dr. B.V. Raju Institute of Technology.
Our team members are M. Spandana, G. Vidyavani, S. Geeta, and Veena. My college grade is Mr. M.C. Chinnaya, Associate Professor. Technical support is P. Subramaniam Raju Sir, Mr. N. Jagdish. Our aim of the project, location indicator for blind, is designed to ensure the blind person about his destination while traveling. Actually, identification of exact location is very much difficult for blind. To overcome this problem, an assistive device can be used by them, which help to indicate them where they are at present and help to know the desired location.
Importance of assistive technology. For a visually blind person to travel from one place to another, it is difficult for him to identify the location and also whether his location is reached or not. In such a case, the location indicator can be used to know the current position of the blind. Block diagram of the project consists of assistive module and navigation module. In assistive module is carried by blind and navigation is placed in different environments. For example, bus. Assistive module contains predefined with the location help of this assistive module. The blind person gives the input to the place where he wants to go. Global Positioning System, GPS based on space satellite, it gives the current location. A GPS navigation device is any device that receives global positioning system signals for the purpose of determining the device's current location on the Earth. GPS device provides latitude and longitude information, and some may also calculate altitude, although this is not considered sufficiently accurate or continuously available enough to rely on exclusively to the aircraft.
In NILabVIEW, LabVIEW is a graphical programming platform that helps engineering scale from design to test and from small to large systems. It offers unprecedented integration with existing Regency software, IP and hardware while capitalizing on the latest computing technologies. In LabVIEW provides tools to solve today's problems and to capacity for future innovation and faster and more effectively. Project implementation. House is the source, bus is the path, building is the destination. The blind person traveling the bus carries the associative model and the navigation is the placed bus itself. Project requirements are inputs, GPS module, global position system module is used to identify the location. In assistive module which has to predefine location. Zigbee is a communication protocol which can transmit or receive the data, and software tools, NILabVIEW, and outputs buzzer or vibrate. In NILabVIEW, this is the control panel of the project. Firstly, we are using GPS in VSA serial communication. After we are using GPS rate is GP18X. Baud rate is 9600. Consider the longitude, latitude values are equal. Indicate the light. After we are using regulator power supply, 5 volts gives to the GPS module and Zigbee transmitter. Actually GPS interfacing is Zigbee transmitter. And this is the values in Zigbee receiver. Zigbee receiver indicates the location in blind people, gives to buzzer. Stop the video now. When the longitude and latitude values are
equal, the light will be glow. In the string are already predefined. The value will be announced to the blind people by the headset. This is this is the block diagram of the project, and actually predefined string values is given here. The operation will be continued in this process, and then longitude latitude values are equal. Light will be glow, and when the two condition longitude latitude values are equal, the light will be glow. If false condition, the light will